I convert standard units of measurement? Well, first question we ask ourselves is, I know I have 35 cups, but I want to get from cups to ounces. Am I going from big unit of measurement to small or small to big? Cups are larger than fluid ounces, so I'm going big to small. Our rhyme goes big to small, multiply it all. It is the 35 cups. So I'm going to set my 35 up with a multiplication sign, and I'll find out what I'm going to multiply it by. Next thing I need to do is compare cups to fluid ounces. Since fluid ounces are the smallest unit of measurement, I'm going to put that first. And then the next smallest unit of measurement would be cups. I'm not having to travel very far. I want to see how many fluid ounces make up just one cup. Well, I know that it's 8. 8 fluid ounces make 1 cup. I don't have 1 cup, I have 35. Therefore, I'm going to multiply 8 fluid ounces. Remember, 8 fluid ounces make 1 cup. So 1 cup times 35. 8 times 5 is 40. That's 24 plus 4 more is 28. I just found out that 35 cups is equal to 280 fluid ounces. All right, let's do a distance unit of measurement. Again, big question. I'm going to go big to small or small to big. Once again, I'm going big to small. So I will multiply it all. Now, the only it I'm working with right now is 4 yards. Okay? So I'm going to go like this. 4 times whatever. Okay? Now, I want to get from yards to inches. So again, inches is the smallest. I'll put that right there. What comes after inches? Well, we know that there's 12 inches that make 1 foot. And after feet come yards. Now, I could go to miles, but I don't need to because I just need to determine how many inches make up 4 yards and 2 feet. So I'll go ahead and I'll say inches to feet. Well, that's 12 inches that make up 1 foot. 3 feet make up 1 yard. And then I have to multiply these two together. 3 times 12 is 36. I have just determined that in 1 yard, there are 36 inches. I have 4 yards. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply the 36 inches it takes to make 1 yard times the 4 yards that I actually have. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. Now I just discovered that 4 yards is the equivalent of 144 inches. That's not my answer though, because check it out. I still have 2 feet to deal with. So again, small to big or big to small. I'm going big to small. So I'm going to multiply it all being 2. So I'll set this up, get ready so I don't forget later. And I'm going feet to inches. Now I've already set this up, but this time I'm just comparing feet to inches, so I'm looking at 12 for the second part of my problem. 12 inches make up 1 foot. I have 2 feet. So I'll go 2 times 12. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. And that's 24 inches. So this is 24 inches. I have to combine the two to figure out my total. So if I have 144 plus 24, I get a total of 168 inches. All right, now I've done 2 big to small. Let's do a small to big. And you always love this one. All right, when I look at this one, I have 250 inches. I don't want to call them feet. So I am going small to big, divide this pig. Okay, so put my little piggy in the box. 250, that's a big piggy, okay? But I don't know what I'm going to divide by. Well, go back to your units, inches to feet. Record the smallest unit first. After inches comes feet. There are 12 inches that make up 1 foot. I didn't have to travel very far. 12 is what I'm going to divide 250 by. Okay? Now, I chose a problem that I have to work at a little bit. Okay? So, it's not a big deal. We'll move this over. Okay? And I have to just start estimating. I know that 1 goes into 2 times, so I'm guessing that 12 can fit into 25 2 times as well. 2 times 12 is 24. Good guess. Subtract. 12 doesn't fit into 10. How many times does it fit into 10? Exactly 0 times. I have to fill all my spaces because 0 times 12 is 0. Subtract and I have 10 left over. What did I just solve? Well, I know that 12 inches make 1 foot. I was checking to see how many feet, remember 12 inches is equal to a foot, are in 250 inches. Okay? So, I found out that 12 groups of 20 feet are in 250 inches. So, I come out with the answer of 20 feet. What about these leftovers at the end? Well, go back to the problem. What did we start with? We've got 20 feet and 10 is my remainder. I divided inches, so I name it 10 more inches. Remember, it'd take 2 more inches to make another foot. We don't have that. My answer is 20 feet and 10 inches.